Hello besties, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Miss Mo, and if you're new here, welcome to my YouTube channel. And if you've not subscribed, kindly consider subscribing. In the morning, my mom normally feeds them layers mash. These are runny layers. This raised area here is where they sleep at night, and it is raised, and it has our mesh for ventilation. They used improvised feeders and containers for drinking water. They're supposed to be using the stairs when coming down, but I see them flying, I think because they are hungry. These are about 50 chickens, and they are brown in color except two. One is black and the other one is white. This is where they lay eggs. They are partitions into boxes where 5 or 6 chickens can lay eggs at the same time. Gunias are placed at the bottom to avoid breaking of the eggs. My mom was mixing the medicine for them that she will add into their water. This is the rainy season and it's very cold, so there was a reduction in egg production, and this will help them. This is one of the water containers I was telling you about. It's just a 20-liter container that they cut at the middle, and then on the sides the chicken will use them to drink water. Where the tap is, that is where the chicken will be drinking water from. That is now the medicine she was mixing. From where I'm standing, this is the wire mesh that will let in a lot of air and for ventilation. And then at the top there is a translucent iron sheet that will let in air and sunlight, because they don't normally come out during the day until the evening. It's now time to collect the eggs. Let's see how much you can get. By this time the water is dirty and you have to change. This is around 11 a.m. and it's time for their snack. And today we are giving them kales. Kales are good in improving the eggshell quality and improve the egg production. And we just throw them on the floor. They will just eat, and then we'll come and pick the stalks later when they're done eating the green parts. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.